Hey there. If you started this problem moving left to right, you would start with the 5 plus 5, and that gets you 10 times 5 minus 5. Then, still moving left to right, we would go with the 10 times 5, and that would give us 50 minus 5, and you get a final answer of 45. But that's not right, because I did not follow the order of operations. Let's review that real quick. You have to do parentheses first, then exponents, then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. So I started this one with addition when I should have started with multiplication. All of those have to happen before you can do adding and subtracting. Cover up that one and redo this correctly. We're going to start with the multiplication in the middle, and you get 5 plus 25 minus 5. Then we do the 5 plus 25, and that gives us 30 minus 5, and we get the correct answer, 25. Yay!